In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the best advanced auto parts discount coupon codes in 2025. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser, and right here you'll have to search for advanced auto parts discount coupon code. Right here, go to this website, which is called Coupon Follow, and as you can see right here, we have a list with some promo codes that we can use in order to get some discounts. So let's say, for example, that you want to get this one with 20% discount off your order. All you need to do is select the button where it says show coupon code. And this is the promo code right here that you can simply copy. And you can use this one so that you can get a 20% discount off your next order. Going back to the main search right here, we have this website as well, which is called Simply Codes. And as you can see right here, we have a list with other promo codes that we can use to get some benefits. So for example, right here, if you want to get this one with 15% discount, all you need to do is just select this button where it says view code, and this is the promo code right here. So you can simply copy the promo code using this button right here, and you can apply this one on your next order so that you can get a 15% discount. So this is pretty much all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.